In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business portfolio name on Meta Business Suite, a process that can sometimes seem a bit daunting, but is actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the settings within Meta Business Suite. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your business login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the option that says Settings. Clicking on this will open up a new window with various options related to your business account. Now, within the Settings menu, you should see an option titled Business Portfolio Info. This section is where you'll be making the magic happen. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page displaying your current business portfolio name along with other details. Here, you'll want to focus your attention on the business name. Next to your business name, you'll notice an Edit option. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will allow you to enter a new name for your business portfolio. When choosing the new name, be sure it's clear, reflects your brand accurately, and is professional since it's a significant representation of your business online. Once you've entered your desired changes, it's time to lock them in by hitting that all-important Save button. Don't rush this part. Take a moment to double-check the name you've entered. Typos or errors here could create confusion later, and correcting them would mean repeating some of these steps again. After saving, there's a potential extra step you might need to follow through on. Meta may require you to verify this change, and they often do this via a confirmation email. Keep an eye on the inbox of your business email address for this confirmation message. It might land in your spam or junk folder, so don't forget to check there if it doesn't appear in your main inbox shortly after you've made the change. Within this confirmation email, you'll likely find a link or button to verify your new business portfolio name. Click on that, and your update should be successfully verified. This extra step ensures that all changes made are secure and authorized, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your business account. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can keep your business profile up to date with ease. Always remember, maintaining correct business information is not just about aesthetics. It helps in building trust with your audience and ensures clear communication across your digital platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.